Okurigirra Hardan Musoil or manager wa timu ya Chaka agizire ngo batebekaniso muzano ogu n'ekigendererwa cyo kuteeka abazani ba Chaka abaraza no mu mpaka z'amashaza go bukama bwa Toro okutandika n'ebiro 30 ebyo kwezi oku. Aba batongwize na za uniform ezirakozesebwa mu mpakezi kandi abazani borekere kuba kwija kukora kurungi. Chake kahereruka okutwara empaka z'obukama bwa Toro omwaka gw'2022 kandi omwaka oguhwire ekahikomuza akamaririzo. Ebyo bikiryaho timu abirnina zihirwe bikozesebwa okubahwera kutungura ebyemizano omu district ya Burisa. Timu ezi zibirezera mu 8 z'abakazi hamwe ni 16 z'abashija kandi company ya Total Energies niyehire y'ebintu okuhwera timu ezi kwetebekanisa empaka eza mini league.
You have helped us to identify talent and develop talent, most especially when it comes to football. When you see in Bulisa, the crime rates have reduced due to the sports activity, because you find youths are engaged in football and in other different activities.
Take our seats. Yeah, let's go and take our seats so that